I'm Harvinder Singh, working as a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College. I'm planning to develop a online course on the research methods, especially in the area of the public administration. Today, the research has no boundaries. We all know there is no research boundaries. As the word indicates, we are looking for a research. Research means we are looking for that, we are exploring the things again and again. As the word indicates, research method in the public administration, being from the mechanical background, there is no boundary. Means moreover the methods which are available are of applicable to everywhere. So this course will find the application of this course everywhere, and particularly in the context of the public administration will take that point of view. Especially the example will be taken from that point of view. And the target audience for this course is research scholar, faculty, PG students of the different colleges, universities, and the premier institutes. Another thing, the course is meant for the as the word indicates, for the all the one. So we'll have especially this course is of 8-week duration. When 8-week duration, in 8 week we'll have followed by not only we have discussion forum, we'll have so many other things, especially the live demonstration. In the research methods or the research, there is a thin line difference between the research methods and the research methodology. And the research methodology which we'll consider starting from the introduction and to the literature view, especially the effective literature view and the problem formulation. In problem formulation, we will talk about the problem statement and the objective and the result discussion part. Let me expand on that one. In the effective literature view, we'll have a live demonstration. We'll download the article, then we will discuss that thing. The another thing which we will discuss in the effective literature, will identify the problems and we'll look the paper from the different perspective, especially from the effective literature view. Then we'll look at the same paper, what are the tools and the method which are being used by the research scholar. And when not only we restrict to the research writing, in terms of the paper writing and the report writing or the technical report writing, will expand it beyond that. Means will focus on the how to get the funds from the different agencies on that topic also. So we starting from the research, from the introduction part to the problem formulation, effective literature view and the gap, and then the discussion part, then report writing, then we will extend even to the funding from the different agency. So this is the beauty of that one. As per the mandate of this new education policies, every researcher or every faculty member have to focus on the funding also. So we'll focus on the funding also. So this will be the beauty of this course. So we'll have a live demonstration during this 8 week also. Specifically, we'll have a 2 or 3 live demonstration in which all the doubts and the discussion will be made, so that will how to apply the funds or to get the funds from the different agencies. That will be the beauty of all this. So far, so many faculty members have developed this there are different courses which are available in the online mode. How the beauty of this course is, will have a live demonstration during this, especially the funding part, which will be the beauty of this one. Thank you very much.